Manipur Khundaminariba Furup Kudingmakna Pukning Wakal Amadi Tamoi Sengnaraba Matamdada idea of Manipur gi Wakal on the Lakani Leminariba Furup Sing Nungsi Chanana Leminanaba Mapandagi Changsinlakpa Mitop Sing Leingakna Khandoktuna Halhankhinaba Hotnagadabani Haina Nagasiye Sokayana Punsilaga Semkiba Core Committee on Relief and Rehabilitation Manipur gi convener Yazing VCC Shimray na Phongdokre. Core Committee on Relief and Rehabilitation Manipur na Sindurangasi Advent Christmas 2025 ki thoram Chingmairong Dalaiba Tangkhul Baptist Church ta pangthokre thoram aduga mari leinana Yazing VCC na Shimray na Phongdokhibada Haujak Lamdam asida aikoi maselgi marakta buffer zone Khandoktuna chathok chasin tawbada athingba leiriba asi yamna nungaitaba amane chathok chasin ningthina yahanduna Chingtamda awaba kaya mayok nariba IDP singasi hanagum mayum da hanjil handuna santi leba Manipur ama ohelasi adubu Manipur India Leingakna ngasi fauba usinadana leibadaw na tawri inglising amaga chamapan ni futaret ki Manipur State Hills People Regulation gi data matung ina Manipur da nagagi khul chamga kun aduga chin kuki gi khul chamri ga marfu leirambadagi lisingani ga kul humdoi dagi nagagi khul chanipan kun aduga chin kuki gi khul lising amaga chatruk ki mathak ta leirakpa se illegal immigrants sing sangsilakle haibigi khudamni Manipur Leingakna Assembly da inglisingani ga tara manga da bill ahum pass tawduna inglising amaga chamapan yangkhai mathoi da best year oiraga foreigner sing khandokani haiki wafam sing Mapung Fana Tabakta Ontokadabani Asigumba Isuasi Ontok Tabadagi Asigumba Isuasi Torakpani Haiki.
Especially ITPs, internally displaced person, whether they are in the hills or in the valley, we feel pity for them and we are trying to reach them out, but we need the support of the people of Manipur. Akoina Chishi Tauninge Harachu. People support Foundry. We are for peace and development. Now, majority of the population surface transport as a citizen of Manipur, buffer zone and restriction labor and if God willing, and will move forward so that our majority population we can also move freely